Hi guys, welcome back. Today in the caravan you find me kneeling on my floor in front of our Dometic fridge. Today's video is regarding removing this little boy, the freezer box. If like us and you're going away just for a couple of days for a long weekend, you sometimes don't need the freezer box, you've not got any frozen food, but you'd like a bit of extra fridge space for your fresh produce. So this video is simply how do we remove the freezer box to allow that extra space. Okay, so let's get started. So as we can see, the freezer box there, and you just pull that down. You can see that's the space that you'd be saving. So how do we remove it? Well, underneath the freezer box there are some catches. You can just see them, one there and one there. And they pull out and they slide. See how it slides in and out? You can see that. That pulls out and that one pulls out. That releases the lock from the side of the fridge. And then it's just a simple matter of opening the door and then just pull and slide out. Now I've got one hand, so it will spring a little bit because the door's obviously springy. Try and gently, there we go. Obviously if you're doing that with two hands you wouldn't let it rattle against the fridge. So let me just pop that down. As you can see, that's the freezer box. And as we've got now quite a lot more room. There is this handy little shelf here underneath the actual freezer box that you can put items on. If I just step back a little to give you a bit more sort of a feel for a bit more space, it does increase the space quite considerably. So that's how you remove the freezer box. Putting it back in, exactly the same process. Just slide it back in, put your clips in either side, and it's done. Happy days. So guys, that's how you remove the freezer box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.